Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to change your appearances on your MetaQuest 3. So at first, all you have to do is just take out this navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And after you take it out, go right here where it says Enter Immersive and just hit the trigger pointing at it. And as you hit the trigger, you're inside this big room. And as you're inside, go look for the mirror. And after you find the mirror, just point at it and hit the trigger. And as you hit trigger, this menu pops up and you can see the option appearances right here and just click on there. And from here, you can change the appearances on your MetaQuest 3. So guys, that's how you change the appearances on your MetaQuest 3. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos. And drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.